You've heard the stories.
News 6 investigation exposes a Central Florida roofing contractor.
Maybe you even lived through one.
Tonight, there's a warrant out for his arrest.
Fly-by-night roofers, poor communication, messy job sites, or worse, roofers who vanished before the job is even done.
Roofer was supposed to be doing some work, hundreds of thousands of dollars in deposits from homeowners, but never returning to do the work.
It's become far too common in Florida, and frankly, we've had enough. At True Force Roofing, we've done more than just take notes on the industry's dark side. We've cultivated a system that rises above it, a system designed to restore trust, deliver full transparency, and set a new standard of professionalism in roofing. We call it the True Force Advantage. When you first reach out to True Force, our support team answers the phone, ready to assist. They'll take down your name, address, and brief description of your roof's condition. All your information is entered into Acculence, our robust CRM software that houses every detail about your project. Every True Force customer has access to our Acculence customer portal, a one-stop dashboard for daily updates, project photos, essential documents, and more, giving you secure, real-time access to all your project details anytime you need them. Our automated alerts will keep you in the loop for the entirety of the job. Once your information is entered, you'll receive an automated text message with your assigned estimator's name, contact information, and photo, so you know exactly who you'll be working with. Then your estimator will reach out directly to introduce themselves. They will initiate a 10 to 15 minute phone call to start gathering the details about your project. They'll ask questions like, is this going to be your forever home? Are you interested in metal or shingle estimates? Lastly, we'll schedule a site inspection at a time that works best for you. This call lays the foundation for a personalized experience. The day of the appointment, we will conduct a comprehensive inspection and document our findings with detailed photos and notes. Once the inspection is complete, your estimator will go over their findings with you. They'll also discuss material options, the various color selections we offer, and any custom elements that make your project unique. For homeowners who want a more hands-on experience, we invite you into the True Force showroom. Here, you can see and feel the materials up close, compare colors in real lighting, and explore your options side by side. You'll sit down one-on-one with your estimator in a comfortable, no-pressure setting, walking through your project. From reviewing material displays to mapping out the details of your roof, the showroom gives you clarity, confidence, and control, so you can make the right decision for your home. Once your agreement is signed and the 50% deposit is received, our team goes to work behind the scenes. Our permit coordinator first records your notice of commencement. This marks the starting point of the permit process. From there, we quickly submit the permit application to your local building department and wait for it to be approved. You'll receive an automated text when the application is submitted and another once your permit is officially issued. Once your permit is issued, we move into the preparation phase. Our team orders all the materials tailored to your project, making sure everything is ready for a smooth, uninterrupted installation. We then review the production calendar and lock in your install date. You'll receive timely notifications when your materials are on the way and when your installation date is scheduled. From there, a dedicated superintendent will be assigned to your job. They reach out the Wednesday before your start date to introduce themselves. From that point forward, they become your primary point of contact for your project. The day before your project begins, we coordinate the delivery of materials and place a dumpster on site to contain roofing debris. The dumpster driver will call you ahead of time to confirm placement. This helps ensure a clean and efficient start to your project. Protecting your home throughout the process means protecting all of it. That's why we use the catch-all system, a durable, breathable netting that surrounds your entire home like a protective shield. It guards your flower beds, walkways, and exterior finishes from nails, debris, and accidental damage. Every morning before the start of your project, our team holds a toolbox safety talk, a 15-minute briefing for the superintendent to review safety procedures, assign responsibilities, and confirm every operator understands the day's plan. This daily practice not only promotes a culture of safety, but also ensures our operations align with OSHA standards throughout the duration of your project. Your superintendent begins communication the moment work starts. You can expect progress updates every 2 hours through the customer portal. Additional communication options are available via text message and email upon request. During the tear-off, if we uncover any rotted or damaged decking, our team has a clear system in place to to keep you fully informed every step of the way. Your superintendent will be highly attentive during this phase, ensuring that all findings are communicated clearly. To make things easier for you, we cover the cost to replace the first 2 sheets of plywood. Every sheet is carefully numbered, photographed, and documented, then uploaded directly to your customer portal so you can see exactly what was done. If it's not documented, you don't pay for it. That's transparency the TrueForce way. Throughout your project, our quality control officer will make periodic site visits and reach out directly to ensure everything is running up to the TrueForce standard. That includes verifying workmanship, job site safety, and clear communication from your superintendent. At TrueForce, quality, safety, and service aren't just expectations, they are requirements.
Our superintendents are evaluated through a structured merit system designed to ensure accountability, uphold quality, and drive continuous improvement.
From operator to office staff, everyone is motivated to treat your project like it's their own. Once your roof is complete, we remove the catch-all system, perform a final cleanup, run magnets to collect stray nails, and walk the property with you. Our goal is to leave your space clean, safe, and ready to enjoy. When your final inspection passes, we officially close out your permit and issue your certificate of completion. This document confirms that your roof was built to meet Florida's building codes. It's valuable proof for your records, helpful during resale, and one more way we deliver peace of mind that your job was done right. One of the best parts of the customer portal is AccuPay, a secure built-in payment system that lets you review your billing history and submit your final payment safely and conveniently. Once your final balance is paid, we'll schedule a licensed home inspector to perform a wind mitigation inspection for all eligible homes. You'll receive a digital copy of the wind mitigation report by email. This is a valuable step that can often lead to savings on your homeowner's insurance premium.
For full roof replacements, we stand behind our work with our no excuses warranty, covering workmanship and installation for the entire functional life of the roof. No runaround, no passing the blame, just a commitment to do it right and stand behind it, long after the job is done.
And the best part, our warranties are fully transferable, adding value whether you're staying in your home long-term or planning to sell in the future. Our job's not over when the tools are packed up, even after job completion. Our team takes it a step further and performs a final evaluation, scanning photos, notes, and documents one last time in our CRM to make sure every detail meets our standard.
This final evaluation is part of how superintendent performance is reviewed through our merit system, reinforcing accountability and ensuring every project meets the TrueForce standard.
The TrueForce advantage isn't just our process, it's your peace of mind. It's professionalism at the highest level, and it's knowing that every promise we make, we stand behind with action. At TrueForce, we care about one thing above all, the truth. And through that truth, we don't just aim to earn your trust, we aim to turn customers into lifelong fans.